Hi, this is Kathryn Rose Newey from kathrynrosenewey.com. Today's topic is all about vegan activism. So Matt, what is a vegan activist?
Okay, a vegan activist is someone that openly stands up for animal rights. I'm more for animal liberation than welfare. To liberate animals is much more important to me than how they're treated before they're killed. That's my main prerogative. Other forms of activism could be based around environment or health.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So, I mean, you're a vegan activist, but isn't it enough to just be a vegan? Aren't you already saving the world?
That's a good question. As a vegan, you're already an activist. You're already against something. You're already trying to decrease your carbon footprint, or you're already trying to improve your own health or your family's health, or other people.
Help animals.
Exactly. Or you're trying not to. You're trying not to cause any more suffering to animals that others would have on their plate. So exactly. I mean, it is enough to be vegan. It's more of a choice if you wanted to express that. Openly. I mean, a lot of people are quite introverted, so I wouldn't say that it's for everyone to march down the street or to speak to people in the street or to do this, what we're doing now. But as I say, to live the lifestyle is already a form of activism. So
So what are some simple things that anyone can do to promote veganism or against animal cruelty?
Well, there's a wide variety of things. I mean, social media is so powerful now. Everyone has a voice on there. So, you've got, especially in the UK, we've got lots of local vegan groups, like meetups or vigils or street activist groups. Lots of different things like that. Not just that, but you've got food. Obviously, is a massive thing. If you're into your nutrition, if you think you're a good chef or cook, then start making food for people and things like that.
Change their minds through their taste buds almost.
Absolutely. I mean, if it's very easy to think that vegan food is bland and boring, but I mean, it's the complete opposite. It's the most colourful food. It's the most tasty food, and you don't have a dead animal on your plate. So peace of mind.
Okay. Why do you think some people are still resistant to the idea of veganism?
Well, I mean, that's a good question again. I think what I've come across, the two main reasons are tradition and, tradition and culture.
Tradition, do you mean, okay.
Yeah, so...
You mean habits or...
So, I mean, we've been doing it for years, then why can't I continue to do it? My ancestors killed meat for a living or whatever, or they ate meat, so why can't I? It's a completely different world. We're not surviving anymore with, we're almost thriving, I guess. So, the fact that we do have that choice now where we can choose a more ethical lifestyle over one that we know where other animals, millions or billions of animals are suffering and dying. We can choose that.
And you said there were two reasons.
So the other one is habit.
Oh, okay.
I was going to say about that. Or culturally as well is another one.
Right.
For instance, a couple of days ago I had a conversation with a friend. She comes from a Greek family, and I couldn't possibly go vegan because my mum would kill me. They're the main reasons I've come across. There's lots of many different reasons. Obviously, a lot of it comes down to taste as well. Simple
also,
question.
probably the marketing. I mean, for the meat, dairy, and egg industries. I mean, they perpetuating these myths that we have to have meat, we have to have milk, etc. Aren't they? So I think people tend to believe that, really. Don't they?
I mean, and it forces temptation as well. I mean, just being in London today, the amount of adverts I walk past for the latest McDonald's burgers that have come out, and that's all I saw. Obviously I don't consume burgers from McDonald's, but other people do, and then that obviously raises that demand that we were talking about because people think they need it.
So what is one message that you'd like to leave with the viewers?
Well, my main message would be, most people don't believe in animal cruelty. most people could not bear to see an animal suffering. You know, if you saw a pig struggling in the street, you would help it.
Yeah.
So what's the difference with that and what happens behind the slaughterhouse wall?
Yeah.
There is no difference. If an animal is suffering,
yeah.
we would, you know, because we're inherently compassionate beings, we would try and help that animal. So what's the difference? It's just a wall. So how I became vegan was putting myself in the position of that animal, whether that animal be in the dairy or egg industry, whether that animal be in various meat industries. That's my motivation. That's what I'm trying to pass on to your viewers. And you know, if you can put yourself in that position of that animal in any situation, hopefully that will help you realise the suffering and I mean, as I say, animals have emotions. They suffer like we do. They have families. They feel love. They feel sadness. They feel anger.
And they don't want to die.
And they don't want to die.
If you could see others around you were harming themselves, animals and the planet, what would you do? How would you reach out to them? How would you engage them in a conversation? Write your comments and questions below the video. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos.